The Pocket 3 blew us away back in 2023 with its pocket-sized gimbal magic, but now whispers and leaks are heating up about the next big thing: the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 and its beefier sibling, the Pocket 4 Pro. As of mid-March 2026, DJI hasn't dropped an official word, but FCC filings, retail box leaks, and insider rumors are painting a clear picture of what's coming. We're talking upgrades that could make these even better for creators like you who want pro-level footage without lugging around heavy gear. Expect the standard Pocket 4 to hit China shelves around March 26th, with global rollout soon after, while the Pro might trail a bit into April or May to give the base model some breathing room. Prices? Rumors peg the Pocket 4 Creator Combo at around $699 to $749, and the Pro could push $899 or more thanks to its extra tricks. Let's dive deep into the specs, compare the two, and see why these could be game changers. Starting with the sensor, which is the heart of any camera. The Pocket 3 rocked a solid 1-inch CMOS sensor that handled low light like a champ and delivered sharp 4K video. The Pocket 4 sticks close to that formula, but steps it up with an enhanced version. Leaks from FCC docs and box images suggest around 50 megapixels for photos, with better noise reduction for those dim evening shoots. It's still that comfy 1-inch size, perfect for cramming into your pocket without bulk. Now, the Pocket 4 Pro, that's where it gets exciting. It swaps the single sensor for dual 1/1.1-inch CMOS setups, one wide angle for landscapes and group shots, and a telephoto lens for zooming in on details without losing quality. This dual lens magic means no more digital crop-ins that muddy your footage. Optical zoom around 2 to 4 times is rumored, tuned with Hasselblad color science for those punchy natural tones pros love. Compared to the standard Pocket 4's solo sensor, the Pro's setup gives you way more flexibility on the fly, like switching from epic wide vistas to close-up interviews seamlessly. If you're a solo creator bouncing between scenes, the Pro's versatility could save you from constant lens swaps. The video capabilities of these new devices are also seeing a significant jump that will likely set a new benchmark for the industry. The standard model is rumored to finally move into 6K resolution at 30 or 60 frames per second, which gives editors more room to crop and reframe their shots without dropping below 4K quality. It is also expected to support 4K slow motion at up to 120 frames per second, making it a dream for B-roll and action shots. The Pro version, however, is aiming for the stars with potential 8K video recording. This would likely be tied to its dual sensor array and enhanced processing power. Another major win for social media creators is the rumor of native vertical 4K capture on the Pro model. Unlike current versions that crop the horizontal sensor to fit a vertical frame, the Pro might use its unique lens orientation to capture full-resolution vertical video, which is a game changer for anyone making high-quality content for TikTok or Reels. Physically, the design of the cameras is evolving to be more user-friendly and functional based on years of feedback. Leaked user manuals and quick start cards show that the standard model is actually slightly narrower and thinner than its predecessor, despite being a bit taller. One of the most welcome changes is the addition of more physical controls. While the rotating screen remains a core feature, the new models are expected to include a dedicated zoom button and a customizable button that can be programmed for specific functions like locking the gimbal or switching modes. This reduces the need to constantly tap the small touchscreen while you are in the middle of a shoot. There is also talk of an optional magnetic LED light accessory that clips onto the side or base, which would be incredibly helpful for vloggers who often find themselves filming in dimly lit environments. Battery life and power efficiency are areas where the improvements are very tangible and easy to appreciate. FCC filings have already confirmed that the battery capacity for the standard model is jumping to 1,545 mAh, which is a noticeable increase from the previous 1,300 mAh. In real-world terms, this is expected to translate to over 200 minutes of continuous recording time. This means you could potentially get through a full day of travel vlogging on a single charge if you are filming clips intermittently. Both the standard and Pro models are also expected to support even faster charging, allowing you to top up the battery significantly in just 15 or 20 minutes. This focus on reliability shows that these cameras are being built for people who are always on the move and cannot afford to wait around for their gear to charge. The internal technology and software are getting a major boost as well, particularly in how the camera tracks subjects. Both models are expected to feature ActiveTrack 7.0, which uses advanced AI to stay locked onto a person's face or body, even if they move behind an object or turn away from the lens. This system is rumored to be much faster and more accurate than anything we have seen before, making it nearly impossible to lose a subject during a walk-and-talk segment. Connectivity is also being modernized, with Wi-Fi 6 support replacing the older standards. This will make transferring large 6K or 8K video files to a smartphone much faster, which is essential for creators who need to edit and post their work quickly while they are out in the field. In terms of pricing, the two-model approach means there will be a wider range of costs for buyers to consider. The standard Osmo Pocket 4 is likely to start between $549 and $649 for the basic package, with the popular Creator Combo, which usually includes a wireless mic and extra battery handle, potentially reaching $749. Because the Pro version introduces expensive new technology like the dual lens system and 8K capabilities, its price point is expected to be considerably higher. Most analysts and leakers suggest the Pro could start at $799 or more. While that is a steep price for a pocket camera, the level of technology being rumored would put it in direct competition with much larger and more expensive mirrorless cameras, making it a potentially high-value investment for professional filmmakers. As we approach the official launch dates, the excitement continues to build for what could be the most significant update in the history of the Pocket series. Whether you choose the standard model for its improved battery and 6K video, or the Pro model for its revolutionary dual-lens zoom and native vertical shooting, it is clear that 2026 is going to be a landmark year for compact imaging. For now, the best thing to do is keep an eye on those late March announcements and see just how many of these ambitious rumors turn into reality.